What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing an Amazon unboxing haul slash Prime Day deals, whatever you want to call it. So I have all the stuff that I got from Amazon this week in front of me, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got. Now, some of the stuff was on sale, but I'm not sure if it's still on sale, and I'm not sure what the sale was. But everything will be linked down below, so check the description if you want to find out the links to any of these products. So first, we're gonna start off with this planner. Okay, so y'all, I have probably got like 3 planners, and every time I get them, I like never stick to them and I never use them, but like I just feel like they would help me a lot if I actually stuck to it. So I tried again, and I just got this simple black planner, but I got some things to decorate the front of it, which I will be showing you guys. That sleek, you can take it to meetings, anywhere you go. What is this? Okay, so I guess they put their card in here. I didn't even know that. It's the first time opening it. It just looks like this, just like a basic calendar. You guys know what a planner looks like. Has room for writing, what you need to do. Does it have space for notes? Because that's what I need. Oh, it has a map, little pockets for you to put little pieces of paper. You can definitely slide this in some purses if you have like a big purse like me I have right now, which I'm probably gonna get a new purse soon, change it up. But this is great. Hopefully I actually stick to it. Next thing I have for the planner, like I said, is just 1,000 ridiculously cute, absolutely necessary, crazy, fabulous, awesome, stellar, cool, phenomenal stickers series 1. So this book, I saw someone decorating their planner using like a whole bunch of stickers and just something to make it more fun, which might actually motivate me to write in this and not just ignore it, because I also have the calendar on my wall that's like empty right now, and it still is on September. Y'all, I'm not kidding, like it's still in September and I need to like change it to October at this point. So oh goodness, so I just need to get it together. But look at these little ugly dogs, like oh my goodness. Y'all, my light is like way too bright. Okay, there you go. The thing I got for my planner is these gel pens, which I love these so much. I love these colors right here, but I think it has 4 classic, 6 fluorescent, 6 pastel, 8 metal, and 6 glitter. Y'all, I love the glitter ones, and you can add how many. I just set up to see how many is actually in here, because I'm not gonna do it for you. I was so excited about. Okay, so it's this toothpaste dispenser, guys. Okay, so what's all this stuff they put in these boxes? So I guess this helps it stick, and then we have the actual dispenser right here. I guess you put the sticky part on the back and then put your toothpaste in here. I don't know how this works, but oh, I guess like this, and then you just push it in and it comes out. I don't know, y'all, but I'll figure it out. This seems so helpful if it actually works, but sometimes you get stuff from Amazon and it's a fail, but hopefully this works. Next item that I got came in this box, and it's just hair scalp massager shampoo brush, but I'm pretty sure you can use it with shampoo or when you're not in the shower, which I'm not sure. But let me take it out of the packaging. I think it had 30,000 orders, I think, so obviously people are purchasing this. I don't know how do you say this company's name, Heda, something like that. But you just hold it like this, and you just shampoo your hair and you massage it. It feels really good. Okay, and next hair thing I got is this Tangle Teaser. So I've been hearing so much stuff about this. It says it smooths and shines, and for hair extensions. So actually, let's test this out right now. Ooh, so pretty. So many bristles. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Pretty good. The gently detangle for natural and synthetic hair for all types and for hair extensions. Perfect for finishing dry hair every day. I'll definitely be using this into my routine to see if it actually helps, because I wonder how this will be on like my actual natural hair with all those bristles on it. Next thing I got is very well needed 4 different chargers. Okay, I forgot the links. I think it maybe 3, 5, and 10, but I really only got it for the 10-inch one, obviously. But this was a good deal, and they came with all these. So yeah, I need the 10-foot one for my bed, because right now I just have like a regular Apple charger, and I'm kind of like pulling, and it's like about to break. I'm pretty sure, so I just got those chargers. Next, honestly, I got this just because I saw everyone else getting it. Sorry, but it is this electric lighter. Here's the plug to it, and then I wish I could have found a pink one, but I couldn't. And this is what it looks like. How do you turn it on? Let me see. I'm scared. Oh my freaking goodness. I am amazed. I know everyone's been trying to help the environment. Okay, so I'm trying out these straws, reusable straws. It just comes with
stupid
6 different straws, 3 short, 3 long, and then I guess these are straws too. So some curve and then some don't, and it also comes with this little bag you can put it in, and it has a little cup on it. The very last thing I got from Amazon this week is this stay hydrated, keep energy, and drink water. And got this. Look how big this box is. That's how big the bottle is. I'm going to show you the bottle. I have water in it right now, and look how huge this is. It goes up to 64 ounces. Y'all, I've been drinking water so much lately. So, well, that's kind of like all I drink anyways. I don't like soda. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. it wants you to drink water for 12 hours. And it just says, good morning, keep drinking, feeling awesome, blah, blah, blah. Basically, it's just supposed to motivate you to keep drinking water. That is it for this Amazon haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the links below if you're interested in any of these products. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.